In this video, you will learn how to use bus and coach correctly. And you will also practice using bus and coach. Additionally, in the description, there's a link to the worksheet that accompanies this video. You can download the worksheet to keep all the information that's in the video. The main difference between bus and coach is that usually we use bus when the vehicle travels a shorter distance, and we use coach when the vehicle travels a longer distance. So, often buses travel inside cities or towns, whereas coaches travel between cities or towns. Another distinction is that buses tend to be more basic on the inside, whereas coaches are usually much more comfortable. Probably because people want more comfortable transport on longer journeys. If you like this video about the difference between bus and coach, subscribe to this channel so that you can get all my latest videos about other areas of English that you might be unsure about. Watch the following video clips and decide if they show buses or coaches. Here come the answers. Bus, coach, coach, bus, coach, bus, bus, coach. Practice using bus and coach more by writing sentences in the comments. If you like this video, check out this playlist of other English words that you might be using incorrectly. Or, more specifically, if you're not sure about the difference between road and street, watch this video so that you can find out. Good luck with your English!